Welcome to training session number 5, lesson number 3, Clinic Administration. In this video, we will be covering clinic information, clinic tax, and clinic test rooms. We will start by taking a look at clinic information. This can be found by clicking on the clinic link. The clinic window is used to manage clinic information, including clinic name, address, phone numbers, and clinic logo. New clinic records can only be created by Prism Hearing Solutions. However, much of the clinic detail can be edited. Let's take a look. First, short name. This is used to define the shortened form of the clinic name. The short name is displayed in many places throughout Prism Connect and is primarily used for internal business purposes. Clinic name. This is used to define the formal name of the clinic. The name is used primarily on materials that will be dispensed to patients, physicians, or for marketing purposes. Clinic DBA name. This is used to denote the name under which the clinic does business. Address, phone, and fax. This is your standard address, phone numbers, and fax information. Main clinic. This provides a means to denote service clinics or outreach centers. All clinics will have a main clinic selected, but the main clinic may be the clinic itself. When the main clinic is not the clinic itself, the clinic is considered a service outreach center. The sales reporting figures provides selection to roll up to main clinic, which, when selected, will consolidate clinic activity for the main and its outreach centers. Federal Tax ID. This is used to denote your Federal Tax ID number. NPI number. This is used to denote your National Provider Identifier or NPI number. Billing Provider. This is used to denote Billing Provider ID. This is used in box 33B of the CMS 1500 insurance form. Bond Number. Used to record your clinic's bond number. Default Dispenser Fee. This is used to specify the default dispensing fee to be charged when patient aids are returned. The value is used to auto-populate the dispensing fee in purchase agreements where it can be changed as needed. QuickBooks Identifier. This provides a means to define how each clinic's financial activity will be identified when its transactions are exported via the QuickBooks export. Clinic Website Name. Used to specify the web address for the clinic site. Clinic Logo. Used to retain and display an electronic image of the clinic's logo. The logo will be used on some external materials. Required PA text. This field can be used to define any unique language or special text that must appear on the purchase agreement. For example, some states require that office hours be printed on the purchase agreement. Lease information. Start and end dates, notes, notification days, building management. The lease information can be retained in Prism Connect to provide access for those pertinent details to the local staff of each location. This information may be helpful when there are maintenance issues. Let's take a quick look at how to upload a clinic logo. First, click on the Edit button. Then, click on the plus next to the upper right corner of the logo field. A pop-up menu will open. Click Choose File. A pop-up window will open, providing a means to search and select for the image file to be uploaded. Locate and select the image file, then click the Open button. Click on the Upload button. When the upload is complete, click the X in the upper right-hand corner of the Uploads dialog box. Click the OK button at the bottom to save your changes. One note here, the logo file must be in a JPEG image format. Now let's take a look at clinic tax. The clinic tax window is used to define the sales tax amounts to be charged on the sales of various items. The tax rates are used within the invoicing and purchase agreement windows to automatically compute the appropriate state, county, and city tax for the items being sold. Taxes are defined by a specific clinic to provide flexibility over the varying rates for each municipality, and are based on item type to accommodate varying rates for different types of items. The attributes of clinic taxes include Clinic Tax ID. This number is generated by the system. Clinic. Select a clinic for which the tax rate applies. Clinic tax item. Select the type of item for which the tax rate applies. Tax percent. Enter numeric tax rate as percentage. So, for example, if you were adding 5.5%, you would add it as 5.5. Notes. This is a free text field to use as needed. Now let's take a look at clinic test rooms. The clinic test room window is used to build the clinic test room dropdown available on the appointment details pop-up window within the schedule. The clinic test rooms feature is used to prevent double booking the same room when appointments are created. The attributes of clinic test rooms include clinic, the clinic at which the test room is located, test room name, the name of the test room, and test room description. This is the description of the test room. This completes training session number 5, lesson number 3, clinic administration.